We're now booking 5 calls a day easily. I am rammed on sales calls, like 12 grand MRR in new sales in the first month of having this system. We will be at 100K a month relatively soon, and that will all be thanks to those two.
And now we're hitting consistent 25K months. We've already cleared 30K this month, and we'll probably end at minimum 40 or 50K this month.
I haven't even dived into the actual system yet, but we already doubled the amount of sales appointments that we've been having.
We're seeing our calendars get booked, and on an average week, we get anywhere from 70 to 80 qualified leads scheduled on our calendar every single week.
I am so grateful because now, just this past month, my calendar was so full, it was booked a month out.
Came across their site. They had a plug and play process here, had figured out all the software connections.
I ended up turning off one ad. I can't take any more meetings, which is great. Like, I'm excited. That's the best problem to have.
And then I think we started hitting like consistent 10K months, maybe in the beginning or like before I had really started diving into the coursework with you guys.
So it's really helped me transform my business.
We had our biggest month ever last month, so that was amazing.
We came here to learn more about the process and have been very enlightened.
We have absolutely exploded. We have tripled in about 2 months.
Actually, almost immediately we saw results. I mean, the first week of launching the system
made massive difference. Normal years, we do maybe 120 to 150 new clients on board.
And when I found you guys and I saw your system, I thought I was in a dream. Seriously, I was like, this is nuts. These guys know what the hell they're doing.
Learned a lot of good things, especially when we got deep into data, knowing your numbers, which can really dictate where you're going to go in the future with your business, what decisions to make. Learned a lot. It's been awesome.
It's been the best program I have ever invested. This is hands down some of the best money I've ever spent.
So this week, I actually just counted them up in front of Justin. We had 17 sales appointments this week.
It was a game changer for us. It has paid us back tenfold, easy.
And it was still a problem, but it was a good problem to have because then, of course, you have so many calls to make and it's just me. And then I learned so many other great things from this team. I am grateful for them. I am so glad that I, again, joined.
And just made my life real easy.
I'm already sitting at, I think, 82 or 83 consultations, and it's only been a week.
They've helped us build over the last several months, and I'm very thankful for them because of that.
Super smart guys. They know what they're doing. They'll help you a ton.
4 or 5 of those clients that we had on it got about 20 to 25 appointments that we qualified for them.
In the last 30 days, we've done 450 clients, and only expanding from here. And that's hardly knowing what we're doing. So technology is awesome. Lots of upside here. Strongly encourage, strong recommend.
I've never seen anything like that, and I've seen a lot of marketers.
Okay, so just literally just on this call, whilst I'm filming this, I've just had a booking come through from my appointment setter.